Are Google Ads smart campaigns actually good for trades and small businesses? When you first start out on Google Ads, Google pushes you to use a smart campaign, and they really promote these hard, but do they actually bring you leads, and are they the best type of campaign you can use for your business if you want to generate qualified leads? In this video, we'll run through how smart campaigns work, why smart campaigns generally fail for small businesses and trades, and the best type of campaigns that you can use in Google Ads to generate leads and paying customers for your business. Let's start by running through what a Google Ads smart campaign actually is and how it actually works. A smart campaign is basically a cut down, quick setting version of Google Ads designed to help business owners get up and running in maybe 10 minutes or so. It's for people that don't have any prior knowledge about Google Ads, and the way you set this up is you're going to create a goal just over here. You're going to add some search themes, so that's going to be some sort of keywords just about your business. You don't have full control over these keywords either. These are just general themes. Then you're going to create an ad, and from that you're going to add your budget amount. And Google is actually going to take all this information and start showing your ads around what you've given it. There isn't much control over this, and like I said, it's designed to get business owners up and running quickly. Smart campaigns have a lot of appeal for business owners or people new to Google Ads because they are quick and easy to get running, but they generally don't work very well. They generally fail. And that is because, firstly, Google sends a lot of traffic from random partner sites. So it might be Gmail, might be YouTube, might be some other websites, as well as Google search. And because of that, you're going to get low intent searches. When you run a local business, a trade business, dentist, lawyer, accountant, a business like that needs qualified leads, the best kind of traffic you can get is someone typing into Google that they need an accountant, and that's going to be a high intent search. But the way a smart campaign works, it doesn't generally pick up those. You're going to get all sorts of different searches. So you're going to get DIY searches. So if we take a plumber, for example, you might get someone searching for how to fix a leaking tap, and they might click on your ad, which may work out, but given that it's a DIY type query, they're probably looking to do it themselves. Or you may get job seekers like plumber jobs, for example, and you're going to get information. And all of that is going to mean weak lead quality. On top of that, you can't really optimize smart campaigns at all. Google gives you very limited access to the data. All of that generally results in getting lots of clicks, but not many leads, if any leads. And if you do get leads, they're going to be costing a lot of money. If smart campaigns are no good, what is the best type of campaign for a small business or trades business who want to generate qualified leads? Start with a search campaign and ignore the smart. A search campaign that's best for trades, accountants, lawyers, any sort of small local business that needs qualified leads that are actually searching for their product or service. Using a search campaign, you'll be able to control everything, and because you can do that, you will get qualified leads and not just clicks. But the con or the caveat of that is it is a much higher learning curve. It's a lot more complicated to use a search campaign, but if you know what you're doing and use some basic strategies and techniques, you can get that optimized pretty well and be getting good quality leads for a low cost. So if you have decided to move off the smart mode campaigns and into a proper search campaign, how do you actually do that? First thing is we need to get out of the beginner mode or the smart mode and switch to expert mode. There will be a link in the tools menu in the Google Ads, which will link to switch to expert mode. There's plenty of other videos online that will show you exactly how to do that. And then the next thing you want to do is we're going to select a search campaign. When you're in Google Ads, create your new campaign, choose your campaign objective, which will be leads. We'll just ignore this one for now. We can set that up later. Come down here and we're going to choose search. And that's how we actually get started with a search campaign. If you need help setting up your own search campaign, you can download my 150-page Google Ads guide for service business owners, small business owners, where I run through all the right settings and show you exactly how to set up your campaign. Or if you want an expert to do that for you, or someone to audit your account and get it profitable and converting, you can book a call with me. The links are in the description below. Cheers.